Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 9th standard. Myself, Rupali Bageshwar. I am going to take your subject science, in which chemistry. Okay, I am going to take the subject chemistry. So, uh, today we will start our first chapter of chemistry, and before this, we will discussing the contents first. See here, these are the contents. There are 4 chapters we have to learn in the chemistry. First is matter in our surrounding. Okay. Second chapter is matter around us pure? Third chapter is atoms and molecules. And fourth chapter is structure of the atom. Okay, this fourth chapter we have to study in chemistry. Now let's get started. So, this is our chapter number first, matter in our surroundings. So, first of all, surroundings means the things which we have in our neighbor. Okay, the neighbor things. That the what things which we are having in our surrounding, that is the buildings, road, market. Okay, that things, trees, that are our surrounding. Okay, now the matter. What is this matter? Matter is nothing but the object, the specific object, the object having particular mass and having the volume. Okay, this is we will discussing in this chapter. So, let's start. So, see here, what is a matter? Matter is anything that occupy space and has a particular mass. Okay. See, here examples are given. Example is a first example is brick, is LPG gas, and is a milk. Okay. 3 examples are given. We can take any example. We can take eraser, pencil, pen, any example that having particular mass and its volume. If we take the example of eraser, okay, if we take the example of eraser and we put on a blank space, if this is a eraser, we put on a blank space, it occupies some space. If we put on a table, if this eraser we put on a table, it occupies certain space, and also this eraser has a particular mass, whatever it is in a grams or kilograms, but it has a particular mass. Okay, and when it put in on a table, it occupies certain space. This is a matter. Okay, matter as air also is a matter, earth is a matter. Whatever the things which we having in our surrounding, whatever the things which we having in our surrounding, these are the matters. Okay, water is one of the matter, air is one of the matter, earth is one of the matter. The smallest particle, finest particle is also the matter, which having certain mass. Okay, and it occupies certain space, it is a matter. We can take the example like pen. Okay, if we take the example here, pen, scale, any other, if we put this pen on a table, the pen has a particular mass, whatever it is in a grams or kilograms, it the mass of the pen in a certain grams. Okay, it has a mass, and also when we put on a table, it occupies certain space. Okay, so it has also space, so it is nothing but it is a matter. Okay, so let's move to next one. Now, the matter is anything which occupies space and has a certain mass. Okay, now next is a classification of matter. Earlier, Indian philosophers classified in the form of 5 basic elements. Okay, this matter is classified into 5 basic things, and which can be classified by the earlier Indian philosophers. ancient scientists, okay, and that are air, earth, fire, sky, and water. And these five are called Panch Tattva. Okay, these five are called Panch Tattva. On the basis of the physical state of matter, is classified as a solid. See, as you already learned in previous classes, the states of matter. How many states of matter? There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, on the basis of physical nature, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी के बेसिस पे दिस मैटर विच इज़ क्लासिफाइड इनटू थ्री स्टेट्स: solid, liquid, and gases. And on the basis of chemical properties, same, this matter which is classified into pure substance and mixture. Okay, see, physical states of matter, the matter which is classified into physical states and chemical states. Don't get confused. See, the matter which is classified into physical nature and chemical nature. Okay, the matter which is classified by its physical state and chemical state. So by the physical state, the matter which is divided into three states: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. But chemically, when we classified the matter, it is classified into pure substance and mixture. Okay, when we go to the chemical state, the matter which is classified into pure substance and mixture. And when we go to the physical state, this same matter which is classified into solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. And the ancient scientist that classified the matter into five state: air, earth, fire, sky, and water. And this they called Panch Tattva. I have to show one image. See this image. These five states of matter, this ancient philosopher or ancient scientist that classified the matter: Panch Tattva: air, fire, earth, and water, sky. These five are, and what they call: sky, jal, vayu, fire, and earth. Sky, jal, vayu, fire, and earth. Okay, now let's move to next one, that is the classification of the matter. See, the next one is physical nature of the matter. Okay, physical nature of the matter, that means matter is made up of the particles. Okay, first point is matter which is made up of the particles. Matter actually one of the particle, and this particle, it is again made up of the smallest tiny particles. Okay, now the particles of matter are very tiny. The particles of matter, any, we can take examples of any. We can take eraser, pen, chair, bench, table, any we can take the example. And this matter which is made up of the smallest particle, and that are the tiny particles. Okay, the particles of matter have space between them. Each matter which is made up of the tiny particles, each matter which is made up of the tiny particles, and these all particles having space between them. Okay, each matter which is made up of the tiny particles, each, we can take the example of eraser. Okay, this eraser is made up of the tiny particles. Okay, and which we can't see with our naked eyes, that tiny particles. And each particles having certain space between them. Okay, each particle having certain space between them. दो particles के बीच में कुछ space होगी. Okay, now the particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay, these particles are not stationary. These particles are continuously moving particles. If we take the example, any solution. Okay, if we take example any solution, the particles of that solution are in a continuous moving state. Okay, वो जो solution के particles हो गए वो continuously move होते हैं. Okay, they are not in a stationary movement. stationary नहीं है वो particles. these particles are continuously in a moving state. Now the particles of matter attract each other. Each particles of matter are attract to each other, that means they having certain force of attraction. Okay, किसी force के कारण वो एक one particle with attract with another particles. Okay, by certain force of attraction. Okay, now these are the physical nature of matter. These are some properties as we discussed here. Matter is made up of the particles. First, matter is made up of the particles. Now next, the particles of matter are very tiny. The particles of matters are very tiny, that means the smallest size. The particles of matter have space between them. Each particle having the space between them. Okay, and continuously moving. The particles are continuously moving state. They are in a continuously moving state, and the particles of matter are attract to each other. These points are very important. Okay, and these are the physical nature of the matter. Now let's do some activities to study about more matter. Okay, some activity which are already given on page number 1, actually page number 1. Yes, see on this page, this activity let's be discussing physical nature of matter, the matter which is made up of the particles. This activity we will discussing. See this activity. See this same activity we just read first. Take some water in a beaker. This is a beaker, everybody knows, and it has a beak. Okay, why the beaker? It is why this name is beaker only, not a glass? इसका नाम beaker ही क्यों है? Because it has a beak like structure. Okay, it has a beak like structure, so that's why its name is a beaker. Okay, take a beaker, take some water in a beaker. Okay, take some water in a beaker and note the level. If we take here like up to here, we take the water here up to mark, and dissolve salt or sugar in it with the help of glass rod. Here we have to add the sugar or salt. We add here sugar. Okay, we add here sugar and we stir this with the help of glass rod. The salt dissolve in the water, but the level of water does not change. After stirring, the salt dissolve in the solution. What we have to do, we have to take a one beaker. Okay, and this beaker fill with the water. हमें उसमें क्या करना है? पानी ऐड करना है. Then we have to add either sugar or salt, and then with the help of glass rod के साथ हमें water को stir करना है. After that stirring, what we observe? The particles of salt or sugar completely dissolve in that solution. वाटर में जो पार्टिकल्स होंगे हमारे सॉल्ट के या फिर शुगर के completely dissolve हो जाएंगे. And then what we observed that the level of water does not change. हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? आफ्टर डिजॉल्विंग, जो सॉल्ट के या शुगर के पार्टिकल्स थे, आप completely डिजॉल्व होने के बाद भी जो लेवल था हमारा वाटर का वो यहाँ तक ही था. लेवल इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ. द लेवल इज नॉट गॉट इंक्रीजिंग. वाई दिस हैपनिंग? दिस इज बिकॉज the particles of water get into the space between the particles of water. See, हमने particles के properties पढ़े, matter के properties पढ़े, उसमें हमने fourth properties पढ़ी थी. What the fourth properties is? Fourth property क्या थी हमारी? Third property actually. The physical nature of matter. See the third property, the particles of matter have space between them. इफ़ वी टेक हियर एग्जाम्पल वाटर, अगर हम वाटर का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, दिस स्पेस ऑल्सो इन अ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर. ओके, वाटर के पार्टिकल में भी सेम स्पेसेस होती है, सो दैट द शुगर पार्टिकल्स आर fit into that space of water. Okay, होता क्या है, when we add salt into water, after stirring, the salt is completely dissolved into the water. Okay, but the level of water not increasing. The level is what the before. Okay, जो पहले level थी वही थी, increase नहीं हुई. Why this happening? Because the water particle, the particles of water also having spaces between them. Okay, and these salt particle are fit into that spaces and they occupy that filling of the water particles, and the level of water is not got increasing. Okay, this is the reason behind that. This show that matter is made of the tiny particle. This show that matter is made of the tiny particles. Now here we stop. In next class we will discussing next topic.